So tell us a little bit about maybe why students love the program here so much, and it seems like the program and the students, we talk about just so they just love everything about it. Talk a little bit about that.
Well, I think the reason for that is we have a really strong bond between the faculty here. We all view each other as members of an extended family, if you will. And we highly cooperative faculty in terms of keeping the program goals in mind and trying to reach those goals, but also keeping the educational goals in mind, and everyone's working together to meet those goals. And that then trickles down quite naturally to the student population, where they're also part of the family. And again, this comes back to the small class sizes, the more informal nature. So I think we're just basically one big cohesive family. I think the students feel that they're part of something. They feel like they're really well supported. So if they run into academic difficulty, the biological sciences faculty is there for them. And also the other student support facilities here are excellent in terms of student health. So if they run into something non-academic, I think they're really well supported here in addition to the academic support.
So what would you tell a student from Pittsburgh, wanting to possibly come here and study abroad? What would you tell them in terms of this is a great opportunity? Can you talk a little bit about that?
So it's a wonderful opportunity for lots of reasons. One is that because you're essentially taking courses in the same department you might back home, there's absolutely no interruption to your degree, right? So as I mentioned already, the courses are the same. So whatever you take here is automatically transferable back. So the additional things that are, of course, the cultural things. First of all, we're in the Middle East, obviously, but Qatar and the city of Doha is an extremely friendly, open community. English is spoken widely, so it's very easy to feel at home here, I guess, but still experience a completely different cultural experience than Pittsburgh. In addition to that, Carnegie Mellon in Qatar has a really broad international community. So for example, I think this year the freshman class represents 26 different countries. And so this allows, if you spent a semester here, this would allow you to get exposure to the local customs and environment in Doha and Qatar, but also interact with international students from all over the globe. And that type of interaction, again, because of the small campus, is actually very difficult to get in Pittsburgh. And then my understanding is the student residences are outstanding in terms of the quality of the residence, and I think they're actually very affordable, perhaps maybe even a little bit less than Pittsburgh, but probably shouldn't print that because I don't really know. But anyway, so what else? I think it's the culture and the community and continuity of degree. And then the other, I think, really attractive quality of this place is the fact that Education City contains a number of different branch campuses. So for example, from where I'm sitting right now, I can see Cornell Medical School. And so there's an opportunity for students from CMU-Q to take a course at Cornell. And we've developed a number of elective courses with Cornell that biological sciences students can take. They could also take a course, though, at Northwestern or Georgetown or Virginia Commonwealth University. So these are course offerings that actually may be very difficult or almost impossible to get while they're in Pittsburgh. And it's all because of the fact that there are a number of branch campuses of excellent universities in Education City.